1 whole, 2 equal parts, 3 equal parts, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. You can see, as you make more parts, the parts get smaller and smaller. Halves, 2 equal parts. Fourths, 4 equal parts. The more parts you cut, the smaller each share. Four unequal parts. These parts are not fourths because they're not the same size. One whole, 2 equal parts, halves. 4 equal parts, fourths. Look, 3/4 of the length is yellow and 1/4 is red. Halves. Here's 1/2 of the pie, and here's the other half. 2 halves make a whole. Halves. Fourths. 4 equal parts. Here's 1/4 of the brownie, and here are the other quarters. 4 quarters make a whole. Fourths.
Well done! Let's make a pizza. Halves. 1. 2 halves make 1 whole. Let's make a pizza. 1/2 of the pizza. 2 halves make 1 whole. Quarters. 1/4 of the pizza. 2 quarters of the pizza. 3 quarters of the pizza. 4 quarters make 1 whole. Let's label the pizza. 1/4 of the pizza. 1/8 of the pizza. 1/2 of the pizza. Let's cut the pizza. 1/8. 8 equal parts. These shares are small. They are just the right size to eat. 1/4. 4 equal parts. These shares are still big. Are you sure? Halves. 2 equal parts. These shares are very big. These shares are still big. Are you sure? Let's eat the pizza. 1/2. 0. Hooray!